what do we have here, Johnson? Johnson once again.
Hello, internet. We have
What do we have?
a PLM
Woo!
Type R. Trying to get it dirty.
Yeah,
Carbon
we're gonna
fiber.
look. Damn, dude.
Lip or front splitter, whatever you want to call it.
I think I'm gonna say front lip. Ooh.
Look at that. And it's all on right there.
So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like right now. That's how it looks like with no front lip. I'm not gonna lie though, it looks pretty good, but you know it definitely needs a little bit of aggressive. So we just got,
We're car enthusiasts. We
Exactly.
Can't leave well enough alone. There's always something to do.
You're definitely right, man. By the way, welcome back to another video, you guys. Hope you guys are doing great. Let's test fit this right now. Oh my goodness, that one looks super nice.
There's an air diverter on the bottom.
We have to take it out though.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Let's go ahead and check it out then. See that? Oh yeah, you guys see that right here, guys. That. Oops. Yep. Don't worry about that. We'll take care of that one. So that we just have to take out that pin and it just goes through it. We don't have to drill anything, right?
Doesn't seem like it so far, but we'll find out. And
So,
of course, we'll put sticky tape for safety.
Of course, definitely. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it seems like we have 4 of these pin locks or whatever you guys want to call that. So we have 4 of that, and then we'll put that in. And after that, it should be good. Thanks, Johnson. Now you're good. Go slow. Keep going. Keep going. You're good. Yeah. There you guys have it. We have more parts and more stuff that we'll be installing the FL5 Civic Type R. This will be tracked soon, and I can't wait to show you guys the process on that one. We also have new wheels that we're putting on, and we have new track tires that we'll be purchasing pretty soon as well. If you have an FL5 Civic Type R and you want this PLM carbon fiber lip, make sure to grab it right now. It's currently on sales pricing. Use my PLM code. It's gonna be down below. Check it out. It's gonna be cool, man. Your car's gonna look hella nice. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe, you guys. See you guys in the next video. Take care. God bless.